Hello and welcome to my demonstration of the Pickup Sports app. Um, so when you first launch the app, you'll be brought to our login screen, which is not what this is. And you can just sign in there with Google, and it'll take a second to sign in, and then you'll be brought to profile creation page, which looks the exact same as the actual profile page. It's just this, where you can, select your favorite sports, you know, change your name or whatever. So I'm just gonna change my name to that. And then you could select a photo. It'll go through your device's photos and upload something. So let's say just grab a something, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Um, I didn't pick an image, so it says you didn't pick an image right here, whatever. And then save it. So this is the main screen, and you can navigate through as of right now by clicking this little button right here. It'll show you all the different places you can go. So the first thing you might want to do is just go to the map. And your first time using the app, it should have a little pop up that prompts you to enable GPS, because the app it won't really work without you enabling GPS. The whole point is location. So you need to enable that. Once you do that, then you can maybe browse some events. So going back to the map, you see these little sports icons right here. They'd be scattered around. Right now we just have a few just for testing purposes. We've added a bunch just maybe in the same location. Doesn't really matter. So let's say you want to join those events. So you go to join events. So here's a list of all the events, all the upcoming events that you're currently not in. So you got basketball, baseball, other, soccer, volleyball, football. You get the idea. So you can join one just by clicking join event. If you don't see my mouse on something, it's just because I'm using touchscreen because it's easier. So let's just join that event. It disappears from there. It'll go to your profile. See, it says successfully added to the event down there. But let's say you actually want to see the location of the event. Then you can click view on map. And here, okay, it's right in the middle of USC. So do we want to join this event or do we want to go back? So we can hit join event, added the event to the profile. So now if we go back again, whoops, and we can go to the home screen. So now we're here. So now we could look at our events and see. I've already joined some events. So the thing about the my events page is, if you're the actual creator of an event, this little button you see right here will be a little pencil. That's where you can edit the event. Whereas if you're just joining the event, you can click this little X to just delete the event from your profile. So let's walk through creating an event real quick. So if you create an event, so you get to select from a list of sports. So let's just do soccer. It'll prompt you for a start time. So let's do it today, maybe at like 1 o'clock, and we'll play for like 3 hours. So once you have that, then you can select the location. So this brings you to a map, and you can kind of click around. Okay, I want it right there. Maybe let's just play soccer at this little green field right here. It doesn't really matter. So we'll just put that there, and then you select location. So what that does is it creates the event and then brings you back to the home screen. So now if we go to my events, the event that I just created. So today's the 22nd. I made it for 1 o'clock, 3 hours. So this is the event I just created right here. So if we click edit, there it is right there. There's a start and time, select location. You can permanently delete the event if you want. We won't do that right now. So if we go home, then right here we're looking at the home screen. If we go to the my events page, then let's say you wanted to figure out more details about the event you're looking at. So let's say I want to figure out more details about this soccer event. Then I can click the event details page. And right now there's currently 2 players. You can view the location on the map, and that just opens up a little map, brings it to that. And you can comment on the event, where all the players will make comments. So let's say, what sport is this? It's a soccer. So I'll say, I will bring the ball. You can make that little comment, and comment pops up right there. So that's my username or my email with the @gmail.com cutoff, and then the date and the time, and just a little comment that says I will bring the ball. So let's just pretend I'm someone else, and I'll just respond to that comment. So that's how the commenting system works. So yeah, that's about it. Um, there's not much else to it. It's a very simple and easy to use app. Yeah, thanks for watching.